What's the meaning of comprehensible? Comprehensible. Comprehensible.
Comprehensible. Comprehensible. The word comprehensible refers to something that can be understood or comprehended easily. It suggests that the language, information or task is clear and simple enough for people to grasp without difficulty. A comprehensible message allows the listener or reader to make sense of what has been presented. This quality is essential in effective communication and teaching as it ensures that the intended audience fully understands the ideas being conveyed. Thus, comprehensible implies a level of clarity that makes something easy to comprehend and facilitates the learning process.